me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone.
What's up, Vibe gang, 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 gang? This is your girl Jess with the V-I-B-E-Z for that ass, just with the vibes. Your girl Jess, and y'all are tuned in for another video. And as y'all can see by the title, this video is me doing my new skincare regimen with y'all that I got from Amazon, which is the LaRoche Posay skincare line. So I purchased this with my own money, the new brush and the skincare from Amazon during Black Friday. And right now y'all are seeing me use the actual brush. So while y'all review this, I'm going to just let y'all catch a vibe with me while I was vibing and doing my face. And yeah, I'll come back in the second half of the video and just go over the next steps in the process.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga.
Okay, y'all, so good morning. I am checking in because I wanted to show y'all my new face brush that I showed y'all I got from Amazon. It's actually from the company in the description box, and this isn't sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money, but I got this little 2-in-1 massager. It also has a warming section or setting, and with that warming setting, it allows you to like warm your serums and stuff up into your face. So as y'all seen, I just got finished washing my face with the LaRoche Posay face wash that I showed y'all. Now I'm finna go to the next step in my process. Switching to LaRoche Posay from the first video from Vlogmas y'all seen to now, you can see that there's a slight difference in my face. Like, it looks like it's clearing, which is always good. Like I said, I bought the whole LaRoche Posay system on sale on Amazon during the Black Friday event. So that's what I spent my money on during Black Friday. First, I went in with the LaRoche Posay Purifying Foaming Gel Cleanser for oily skin, because I have oily skin. And now I'm going in with their Clarifying Solution Toner, which this is what I was waiting on, that I didn't show y'all, that came in a few days later. So I'm finna use it on my face with a cotton pad. Okay, and then what I follow up with is also what I showed y'all, which is this zinc sulfate cleansing soothing solution. I think it's a toner too, from LaRoche Posay. It clears water-like toner mist, with zinc sulfate to help target excess shine and visible pores. So I'm finna use this now. This is basically another toner, but in a spray form. Got that on the face. Just real hydrating, it feels real cooling a little bit. And then I got this facial mist with hemp seed oil and hyaluronic acid from the brand Hemp Plus from Five Below. And it says for normal to dry skin, but I like that it hydrates too, because it has vitamin D and E, leaving your skin feeling moisturized and radiant. Hyaluronic acid helps revitalize the skin outer layer. So I just really use it for the purposes of what's in it. So I got that on my face, y'all. Now I'm finna let this dry and then I'll be back. So it takes like 2 to 3 minutes, so I'll be back. And y'all, I'm using this face fan that I got from Amazon. It comes with 3 settings, low, medium. This is low. And I don't like that noise that it makes. This is high, medium. And this is high. So I'm using the high setting to dry my face. Okay, now my face is pretty, my face is dry. And most, seems like face and body and shit products have these ingredients. So I seen this was going viral on TikTok, so I'm like, why not try it? It's only $1. I be trying other unknown products from other places that's cheap too, so why not try it from the Dollar Tree? Like my little brush, and when you notice on the massage settings, so I don't know right now if y'all can see now it's red, and that's the massage setting. So the massage warming setting, and you can feel it getting warm. And I just use this to rub in my face around. That's what it's for. Just like when I'm washing it too. Next, I'm finna go in with the snail mucin. This lady car always going off every fucking day, all fucking night. Like, what the fuck? Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Dollar Tree dupe of the real Age Define Dark Circle Puffiness Serum. I'm just gonna put some of that under my eye too. All over my face. Fresh. Now I'm gonna go on with the last step, which is this moisturizer. You wanna make sure you have clean hands, which I used our antibacterial soap. So once it's warmed up, maybe put on the snail mucin. I don't know. And there you have it, you guys. My face routine, y'all. So we clean hair don't hold curls that good, because it don't even look like I had any curls, child. I curled it super tight last night. Like, it was really pretty. Redhead double is gone for the butt. I'll be seeing her next month. But yeah, y'all, this your girl Jess. Y'all are tuned in for another motherfucking video. It's 12 o'clock. So yeah, it's your girl Jess. Y'all tuned in for another motherfucking video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to comment, rate, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see y'all on the next vlog.
You put switches up on your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you